Hey guys, it's me, Golly Godzilla again, and today we're going to be doing another video. And we're going to be doing it with my sister, of course.
Yes, and Play-Dohs!
Yeah, and this is what the box looks like. We got it from Walmart. Well, my sister got it. Look at that. It's called Softy Dough. And then super soft modeling.
You can make anything with it. Look.
Food truck fun.
I would love to make a burger.
Yeah, my sister wants to make that. And that.
And that.
Yeah,
And pizza. Hot dog.
We already took it out. Well, my sister already took it out.
Yeah, because I already opened it.
Yeah. And let's get to it. Let
Oh
me
my
just
God,
put this.
look.
Wait, let me put this right here.
Yeah, you got this. Take the play desires. I'll take. You take those.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, guys. It's like a little truck.
Oh, that's a little track.
Let's put the. Wait, let's put this box. Put the.
Can you read that?
The truck is gonna go. Look at you.
Sorry, my hoodie.
The truck is gonna go like this.
Because I don't have any more room. No one can see my face.
Oh, you can do it.
Thanks.
So what are we gonna make?
So we got some materials. Oh my God, this is cute.
Oh, I.
Oh, look at this frying pan. Do you see this? Do you see the frying pan?
I do not.
It's
Oh, I
really
see it. Perfect. Let's open this up. Give me the scissors.
Oh, that's dangerous.
I'm very good with scissors.
Careful. Oh, don't make it splashy.
Okay, let's put those there.
Oh my God, look at the cone.
Oh, look at this, guys. It's
Look
so
at the cone,
tiny.
too. Look cute.
Oh, look at this spatula.
It's gonna be the spatula. Oh, look at the plate.
Wait, where did this go? Oh, right here. Yay.
So let's look. Yum yum
Is
yum.
there stickers anymore?
Look at this. Yum yum yum. I'm going to have some.
Yeah, no, my sister's eating right here. Wait, you can't see it. Look, my sister's eating. Okay, so.
Oh my God, this is like wine.
What the heck?
Pull the wine. I have some wine, guys.
We get over here.
Pull the wine.
Is there directions? Oh, we got stickers.
Oh yay! We got
I know
stickers.
where this sticker right here is gonna go. Food truck is gonna go right here, and I'm gonna show you right after I put it down.
I'm gonna put
If I'm good at putting this down.
the flags up.
I hope I am good.
Can you give me the checkers?
Ooh, look what it looks like now. Food truck.
I mean.
Wait, where is that gonna go?
Oh, it's going right here.
Oh yeah, it has to go right there. You're doing kind of bad.
I can't.
You cannot do it. Good job.
I was gonna do it.
I'll
I'm
do
not
it.
good.
It's hard because it's so long and tiny.
Where should
You're
we
in the way.
Where should we put the food?
No, I cannot get it. Okay, that's good enough. I should just put this right here then. And I put this.
Yes, I know where to put this.
Oh, that's where it goes. No wonder. I was looking for it.
Oh, I actually did good.
If you guys want to get some food, here's the menu right here.
Oh, bears!
Oh wait, where's the
Ice
stickers?
cream.
Where are the stickers? Oh, okay, do it.
I want to do the
Wait, let me first do it. I want to do. Is that hot dog? I don't know. Wait, where do the stickers even go? Where do they go?
You can just put them anywhere.
Oh, I think I messed this up. I think this goes like this. And wait, it's almost done.
But you can't move it.
There.
It's supposed to move.
Get over here. Where the heck? Does it go? Does it go like this? Oh, how does this go?
It goes like there. You have to get in.
Wait, where do you see this? Oh, yeah, that's good right there. Wait, if I put this back.
You won't have to push it
Oh,
down.
it's because I gotta push this part down.
I should already push it down. Why are you moving
There.
it back up? There you go. Oh. Why is it go?
Keeps going up for some reason. And
I think we have to get this out.
it'll take forever. Oh, that's the reason why. This isn't going in. There's like a little hole that's supposed to go in. Okay, that's almost in. Okay, that's in. Yay,
that's
fixed
in.
it!
We just don't move it.
Yeah, okay, just go. Well, where did this stickers go?
Oh, we should put them. We should put them on the plates.
This goes right here.
Burger's always my favorite,
Oh yeah, we can put it on the plates. Forgot about that.
but there's only 2. I got my fresh burger. Look at that. It's a little burger.
I'm gonna have.
It's a little burger.
I'm gonna have a cupcake on this one because I need a cupcake.
And I'm gonna put.
Wait, this is not a cupcake. I thought this was a cupcake. It's a smoothie.
No, it's.
I'll put this right here.
I'll put my fresh donut.
Oh wait, I know where you can put them. Oh, I accidentally got them. You can put it right here. So it looks like it's right here.
And let me get my
Look at this, guys.
fresh
Oh, this is the food.
ice cream. My fresh ice cream.
Look at this, everyone.
You see it?
And we got the donut there, and we got wait, I don't know, food right there.
Okay, let's put my fresh ice cream somewhere.
This is wait, what goes here? Wait, oh my god!
Oh my god, I found the plates. The plates.
Alright. Does this go here? What goes here? That's my question.
Let's see. Does the wine go there?
Oh, I think Play-Doh goes there. No. Oh, wait, what the heck? I think that's supposed to be a bottle.
That's supposed to be a bottle of drinks. Oh, these are supposed to be the ice cream.
Bottle right there. Yeah, we can do that.
Look, they're fit. Oh, we should put this one up there.
Ooh. Oh, I know where.
Oh,
Whoa,
yeah, actually the plate
wait,
is
can
supposed
you
to
get
be there.
This.
Excuse me.
Can you?
My burger was on the floor.
Your burger was on the floor.
It's getting dirty.
We need like something that has a hole.
You mean that?
This doesn't have a hole. It's like it has a hole in the bottom. Does the wine work? No, it doesn't. Wait, can
mean
you move?
this?
I think you're on stuff.
Cutters.
Like, why the heck you gotta be so close to me? Okay, never mind. Oh, this goes here. Yeah, this goes here.
Yeah, that goes there.
And then we just get Play-Doh. Oh, there's Play-Doh.
Let me get my fresh
Wait,
white.
don't open the Play-Doh yet. Okay.
I want to get my fresh white. Let me get my fresh white out. Oh yeah, I got my fresh white. Oh guys, look at this. Is that so cool? It's white. Oh, it's hard. It's very hard.
It's hard, that's weird. Oh, that's gonna go right
It's
here.
probably
This
because
is the
it's
thing
there.
that's supposed to go here.
That's why I put it there.
I'm making food. I'm making food. Wait, can you get the phone? Get the phone. Oh, wait. Did I
I
put
cracked
that
my
there?
foot.
Grab the food. Wait, ah! Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. Let's put this right there. Let me just show
This
them
one
what
has hair.
we're doing. This is what we're doing. We
What about the other
are
food?
putting some of this Play-Doh in here. And then we get this thing right here. And then squeeze it down. And it should come out right there. Yeah, it's coming out. Just that it
It's
falls.
just moving.
That's all we can do. And then it gets stuck in
Oh,
here.
so you know there's a blue thing for the blue to go in?
And this is what I put chocolate with. If we get at least 3 likes on this video, me and my sister would definitely be happy. Because, well, not because, but sorry that we haven't made a video in so long.
Yeah, it's because we didn't know that we didn't have.
Well, we tried doing a few videos, but my phone died, sadly. And bye, guys.